Sanbonani, guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are talking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now, guys, remember last week's episode actually ended with uKwenzo throwing uVusi with traditional beer on his body because uVusi was trying to ask uKwenzo to speak to him aside. So this episode starts off with that scene. Unjengayo is mad, you guys, and he's like, "Hey Nina, where do you think you are? Like about uthini kuphi lana, he? Nenzani. And Gwenzo's like, kodwa baba, you deserve to know the truth. And everyone is looking at uKwenzo like, Gwenzo, what are you doing? Like, what truth are you talking about? Even the goats, guys, nembuzi laphayana ithule ibheke uKwenzo ukuthi what really is happening here. Unjengayo goes on to say the truth. The truth is that we are having a ceremony right here. Wenzo's like, no, baba, uVusi nalomthakathi wakhe ozibiza ngomfazi wants to ruin my life with their lies. That time uCina is just standing next to she's standing next to Kwenzo actually, and she's just looking nervous. Unjengayo is like, hey, indawo engcwele le, niyangizwa, indawo engcwele le. Like we don't raise our voices. Kusemsamo la, what you are doing like udoti wodwa. Njengayo goes on to say, kanti yini Kwenzo, like what got onto you, ungenwe yini, like yini inkinga yakho. Kwenzo goes on to say like busy bayangplotela, like they busy plotting against me. Njengayo goes on to say, plotting against you. uKwenzo ke aphendula asho ke athi baba uCina is the one who told uNomalanga to fake the pregnancy. Yeah, guys, uKwenzo just took everything out there and there. Uphethen athi Cina. Kwenzo at that time he's like, but that's not the end of it. When my brother found out about it, when uVusi found out about it, he chose to keep quiet. He did not tell me as his brother. Adangitshelanga as umuntu amshiyele ibele. Phetheni is like, Cina, is this true? Iqiniso lento uKwenzo ayikhulumayo. Cina's like, ma, mina angazi ukuthi uKwenzo ukhuluma ngani. Njengayo is like, Vusi, khuluma. What do you know? Speak. Ukuthi wazini ngalento ekhulunywa uKwenzo. Vusi is like, Kwenzo baba, uyazi uKwenzo ukuthi I would never do anything like this. And Kwenzo just looks at uVusi and is like, mfowethu, like, how can you lie on top of lies? Oh, guys, bokushubile laphayana. Then we see again, Kwenzo goes on to say, yazi Vusi, all this time you watched me suffer, going through pain, yet you knew every time I was dying inside little by little, and yet you kept everything to yourself, and that time you call yourself my blood. Cina then goes on to say, ma, like everything is lies, ingamanga, like ukhulunya manga lana, unoma uyisayikho nje siyazi sonke ukuthi uyisayikho, ukhuluma manga. uKwenzo goes mad, is like, yay, ungangihlanyisi mina Cina, oyekela manga. Cina's like, sonke siyazi ukuthi uNomalanga, she can say anything to make herself seem innocent. Kwenzo's like, okay, fine ke. Ukuthi sifonele uNomalanga and then let uNomalanga tell her ourselves. Cina now is nervous. She doesn't want ukuthi kufonele uNomalanga because she knows uNomalanga already. uNomalanga, I mean, she's lost her man. She's lost, like, why would she continue lying at this point? While uKwenzo's like, let's call uNomalanga so uNomalanga can confirm everything. Uwenzeni aqhubeke umuwenzeni. She's like, nayi phone buti, nayi phone, like eager ukuthi kufonelwe uNomalanga. Nomfundo gets up because she was sitting down, guys. She gets up and she's like, Cina, ngakutshela ukuthi iqiniso lizophuma. It has a way of coming out. Cina's like, sixoxa ecaleni leyo Nomfundo, in either trying to lower her voice ukuthi yena noNomfundo, they must go aside and speak pertaining to whatever they speak into. Nomfundo's like, cha Cina, this is isikhathi samaqiniso. And then uNomfundo turns to uKwenzo and she's like, Kwenzo, I wanted to tell you, but uNomfundo, she blackmailed me. And uPhetheni is like, yay wena, bowusazi sonke lesi sikhathi speaking to uNomfundo. uNomfundo's like, yes, ma'am, bengisazi. Angazi ukuthi why uNomfundo still says yes, ma'am. But uNomfundo says, yes, ma'am, bengisazi. Kodwa I couldn't speak because uClina was blackmailing me. Unjengayo is like, Bowusazi. Unjengayo also feels betrayed because remember he's been with uNomfundo day in and day out, and yet she has not said anything. Yo, guys, then we see another scene where uVusi and uClina, they are in their room, and uVusi is like, Nabjalo, with you, all of these things is going to get us in trouble. And Clina's like, Kota Anje is Tando Sam, like, I did this for us. If Ukwenzo continued chasing Usbongile and he married Usbongile, like, what was going to happen? Were you going to have that CEO position if I didn't do everything that I did? Vusi is like, yazi wena umthakathi, like uSatan uqobo lwakhe wena, like unenhliziyo embi, like you have a wicked heart. Things izinto zimoshakele manje, and all you care about is CEO, izinto zama-CEO, ukhuluma ngezinto zama-CEO. Yo, uClina azinengele-ke because she can see ukuthi uVusi is angry. She's like, sithanda sami ngiyacela bandla, like now is when I need you. I need you so much. Bengicela bandla, like we sasha vows, we said vows to one another through thick and thin, through angazi, through hardships and through good times. Please, bengicela ukuthi we must be one voice. We must stand together. Please support me. I need you. You're trying to convince uVusi ukuthi agam supported throughout all of this because uClina's in trouble, you guys. And uVusi, I don't know, if uVusi doesn't stand by her, uClina uphelile ngaye. uVusi, that time he's shaking his head like to say, like, I can't support you. But we all know ukuthi uVusi somehow, I don't know whether he has a soft spot for uClina or uClina knows how to hit the spots that she needs to hit in order for uVusi to. Because Vusi, most of the times, he doesn't agree to the things uClina says, but she manipulates him in some way, and like he ends up doing those things. So, yeah. And then, guys, we see Sipho is trying to study, but uManqoba is busy playing the ubangumsindo. Then ubaba Sipho angene, he comes in and is like, hey, wena uphi uvelephi? Then ke uSipho aphendula asho ukuthi uvelephi usebhalito uye ngumsebenzi. Athi hey wena uthi uvelephi wenzeni? uSipho athi hayi baba uye ngumsebenzi, like what's wrong? Like uvelephi needs to work as well. There's like umthetho wakho wena Sipho awufundi. First it was Uzakes. Then secondly, there was people who were chasing you, men who were chasing you that you didn't know. And now, again, we are palito, like, can't you see what's going on? Uthi le ntombazane abambambo. Ikubonile ukuthi uDomni, and she's using that. That's why uPizi ukalavanta namadoda while wena uhlezi la endlini, like you're taking care of a child. Guys, kanti uSipho uqeda nini ngesikolo? Because I'm just like, it's been a while. Like, when is he finishing with school? Because besides uVelephi gallivanting, well, she's not gallivanting now, but besides uVelephi doing whatever, like, when is uSipho finishing with school, and when is he going to be able to help uVelephi and all of that? Because now I'm getting tired of Linda Sipho that, hey, bo, akakaiti yini. Then, guys, we see a scene where Uthemba, remember, guys, all of this drama, is happening when ngumsebenzi kaThemba. So Themba is not happy, and then uma wakhe uNomfundo, she can see ukuthi boy wakhe is not happy. Ambuze athi boy, like what's wrong? Ngiyabona ukuthi like you're not okay. Uthemba asho ukuthi he does not want to love kwaDlamini anymore. Because kunengxabano eziningi laphayana. He thought ukuthi uyohlala kuzoba mnandi, everyone's going to be a happy family. uNomfundo amchazele-ke athi every family is like this, every family has their fights, but you will see, don't worry, uVusi noKwenzo bazoxolelana and things will go back to normal. Hey guys, everyone is having a faith ukuthi uVusi noKwenzo bazoxolelana. I don't really know, because this is deep, and on top of that, uVusi still denying everything in front of Kwenzo's face. So, yeah, uNomfundo is busy ukhuthaza uThemba, telling him ukuthi they're going to forgive one another. Don't worry, everything's going to be fine. Don't worry yourself about things that don't directly involve you. Just wait and see, everything's going to be fine. While bekhuluma kanjalo kungena uwenzeni, guys, when Danny comes in, athi, hey, can you see the mess? Ukhuluma noThemba. Uthi, hey, can you see the mess oyenzile ever since you came here? No one wants to hear nabaphansi nje abakufuni ngalana. That's why there was a whole commotion during your ceremony. Bengicela ukuthi bandla ushiye mina nefamily yami. Ayibo athi nomfundo uyakhuza athi yaye wenzeni? Athi then uwenzeni aphendule athi the last time I checked wena bowungasebenzi la ekhaya, so bengicela ukuthi uqoqa izinto zenu nishiye nje. I was like, Wenzeni, the way she is so disrespectful. Wenzeni just walks off. Uthemba looks at his mother and says, like, yabona into bengikhuluma ngayo. Then nomfundo athi ungamnaki and whatnot, and uphelele lapho ke. I do think Wenzeni, she is a bit jealous of Uthemba because she kind of feels like Uthemba's going to take her position when he comes to the house. I mean, Uthemba, he's well behaved. He does well at school with his academics. He does well with his studies. So yeah, like everything that her parents want her to be, Uthemba is exactly that. Then, guys, we see a scene where Upeteni is sitting in the lounge. Nonjengai, they're sitting there. They are basically still stunned by everything that went on. And then Utlina and Uvusi, they walking down the stairs. You can see Uti, they don't know what to do with themselves. Then Unjangai Atitlina Bestelushie basically asking Utlina, can she excuse herself because Bafunu Kulumano Vusi. I guess she doesn't want to leave Uvusi's side because she's still trying to convince Uvusi and her need to be one voice. Petenige ati awuzwa yini Trina? Yeah, I was just like, yes, that you see, getting married into a rich family where people can speak to you like that. Imagine, even if Utlina is wrong, Peteni shouldn't be speaking to Utlina like that. So anyway, Utlina, she doesn't completely leave. She stands on a side where she can hear the conversation that they're having. Unjendaya basically says to Uvusi, listen, I want you to ilungise lento. You need to fix everything you've done. You need to fix everything you've done, and you need to make sure to wena no Vusi niyaxolelana and your relationship goes back to normal. Vusi is like, what the baba? Like, you guys, sonke sibonile ukuthi wenzeni. He needs to be punished for that. Ay, bo Vusi. I'm like, Vusi, really? Upeteni is like, and wena? Ushuti wena unatala, like in everything. Peteni goes on to ask Vusi, how do you allow umuntu wangaphandle ukuthi angene between you nomfowenu? Yeah? Vusi just keeps quiet and he looks aside. Unjengayo goes on to say, Wuti, you need to apologize to your brother and you need to apologize to the ancestors. I don't want indaba kakhe no-Abil happening here. Bengicela ukuthi uyilungise lento. As Unjana is speaking like that, utlina le kwanen like she's calling uNoma. She's like, Noma, bengicela favor bandla umshado wami Noma, bengicela bandla ukuthi ufone ubatshela ukuthi mina angihlangene nje with this whole thing of fake pregnancy. Hayibo uNoma zakhe yangihlanyela wena cabanga. Imagine you caused everything and you want me ukuthi like need bail it out. And then it's like, Noma ngiyacela phela like yangikolota wena, you owe me a favor. Then uNoma like, hayi wena ngiyakolota, owe you favors musungihlanyela mina, and she drops the phone. Ugcina senkingele because she doesn't have any amaqhinga aphelile, guys. Then, guys, we see Uvelepi arriving at Uqiniso's house, in the house with the umthwalo with her luggage. Uqiniso's busy telling her ukuthi yabona, I guess, so shift ama furniture, so qala ngama music video wakho in ini, like they're going to be recognized by big producers. Uvelepi ke uyambona ukuthi she's not fine. Ambuze ke uqiniso ukuthi like yini, you're supposed to be happy. Velepi says she feels guilty for leaving uManqoba. And yeah, and he's just like, no, don't feel guilty. Yes, with mama, but you're doing all of this for uManqoba. I sombona ngabo, guys, with in the barataniso no Philip. Last scene, guys, we see Uvusi sitting in a room. It looks like he's in the study room. Ungenega upeteni. Peteni comes in and she basically gives Uvusi an ultimatum. She asks Uvusi, like, what got into you? What motivated you for you to treat your brother like that? Like, yinbo tawe umbuso, or what got into your head? Uvusige basically says to Peten, like, Mad was not like that, you would not understand. Pethenike says then mengicela ke bandla ukuthi utshela umfazi wakho ukuthi asiphumele la endlini uzomxosha umfazi wakho. Then Vusi is like, man, like, how can I do something like that? Uzoyaphi uqina mengimxosha and whatnot. And then she's like, okay, if you can't xosha uqina, then you need to resign as CEO, or you need to remove yourself from the CEO position with immediate effect. Oh, guys, and then aphume uPhetheni and Gcina's like, yo, not Gcina, uVusi is like, yo. You know what's the funny thing, you guys? Uqina pushed uVusi to do all of these things for the CEO position. And ekugcineni, now he has to choose between Uqina and that very same CEO position he's done all of these things to do. He betrayed his own mother just for the CEO position. Now he has to choose between his own wife and the CEO position. I got a feeling he's going to choose Uqina, because even if he chooses the CEO position, guys, we all know Njengai is probably going to demote him. And guys, that is the recap of the latest episode. Tell me what you guys think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.